Hello everybody, welcome again to another video. Today I'm going to talk about how I managed to get from this to this without going to the gym, without having any restrictive diet, without counting my calories. Everything happened exactly in this room. But before diving into the topic, please subscribe to this channel, it really helps me, so let's go! Okay guys, so the body transformation you've seen in this intro took around 8 to 10 months or something like that. As I said, I never had a restrictive diet or I never counted my calories. But of course, there are three main things that you need to do in order to transform your body, right? You need to exercise, you need to eat well, and you need to sleep well. I'm no nutritionist, I'm not going to give you any advices regarding what you should eat or what you shouldn't eat. I will just say what worked for me, and based on my own research, how I made my meals and everything related to that. So of course this journey wasn't easy. It's simple but not easy. What I mean by that is that you don't have to do crazy things, crazy exercises, crazy diets, restrict yourself from little treats or cheat meals or stuff like that. You just have to be consistent with the training and slowly build a healthier lifestyle, okay? For me, it worked like this. In the beginning, I did full body workouts 3 or maybe 4 times per week, but I started with 3 times per week. And if you want to start with full body workouts, I also have a video on this channel for it. It's a complete full body workout that works perfectly for beginners. So yeah, I did 3 times per week full body workouts. And in my rest days, I didn't completely rest. I either do some light cardio like walking, sometimes I was running, sometimes I was doing some mobility exercises, so never complete resting, just having some active rest days, as I like to call them. I also have a video where I talk about rest days and how to deload properly. I will leave links in the description with every video I talk about. I did this full body workout for like 2 months, but I was making sure that I was progressive overloading. So what I mean by that is that I either increase the volume, so the number of repetitions in a set. For example, if I had to do 4 sets of 8 push-ups and the push-ups become pretty easy at some point, I did 3 sets of 12 push-ups. Or another way to do progressive overload is by increasing the intensity. That means you can choose harder variation for an exercise. For example, if I had to do pike push-ups and they become pretty easy, I started to do wall handstand push-ups. I'll leave a video here so you can see. So this is one way to increase the intensity, and another way is to add some extra weight, like having a weight vest. I did weighted dips, weighted pull-ups, weighted push-ups. I started with like 4 or 5 kilos added to my weight vest, then slowly increased the quantity. I did sets with 8 kilos, then 10 kilos, then 12 kilos. It's very important to do this progressive overload because your body will adapt pretty fast to the moves and the weights. So as I said, you need to increase the volume or the intensity to give it an extra stimulus, okay? I also did some AMRAPs from once in a while. It stands for as many rounds as possible or as many reps as possible. It's a high intensity interval type of training, circuit style. It's very demanding. It covers strength, endurance, hypertrophy. It's amazing. I also have a video for this. So once every 2 weeks, maybe I did this type of workout. Basically, you choose 3, 4, or maybe 5 exercises and you do them in a circuit style with a short amount of time for resting periods. For example, you choose to do 5 pull-ups, 10 dips and 10 squats, and you do this circuit style for like 15 or 20 minutes with minimum rest, for example 30 seconds. Anyways, I have a video for this if you want to try it, it's amazing. So after a few months of doing the full body workouts, I started to train the pull-push leg split. Of course, legs was optional because one of my objectives in calisthenics is to perform the isometric skills, which requires to basically lift your legs up, and if your legs are heavy, the heavier will be the exercise. I followed this push-pull leg split for like 6 or 8 months. I was also trying to consistently do progressive overload, and meanwhile I was also training for skills like the L-sit, the handstand. The handstand is a very tricky skill to master, it takes a lot of time. I read this somewhere some time ago and it stuck in my head. It says that you needed 2 years to learn to walk, so how much time you'll give yourself for learning how to handstand? It's pretty cool. I also have full workouts on this channel for push day and pull day, so check them out. They also include warm-up. You just hit play and do the workout with me. You can do them anywhere. All you need is maybe a pull-up bar. For anything else, you can improvise if you don't have any equipment. After I started to do the handstands properly, the handstand push-ups came pretty easy. So this was the first cool skill that I learned, and the skill that made me want to go further and learn more. And after this push-pull leg split, I started to train for planche and the front lever. I also have workout videos for these if you want to check them out. Okay, so this is kind of it for the workouts. So let's talk a little bit about the food. As I said, I'm not a nutritionist, but I did my own research and I will just tell you what worked for me and how I thought about it. So in order to build muscle, it's well known that you have to eat a high protein diet, somewhere around 1.6 and 2 grams per kilogram of body weight. But as I said, I never counted my calories or any of my macronutrients. I just approximately tried to eat somewhere around 140 grams of proteins a day, but just doing some approximations in my head for each meal that I had. I will put some photos here to see how my meals look and how they still look actually. I eat a lot of chicken, eggs, beef, vegetables, tuna, vegetables, chicken, beef, eggs, vegetables. This is basically what I eat 80% of the time. I also eat a burger or a pizza from time to time. I'm pretty lucky that I'm not into sweets that much. It's pretty rare for me to feel the need to eat some chocolate or anything like that. I don't drink any juice. I used to drink alcohol in the past, but now I just maybe have 1 or 2 beers once in every 3 weeks or something like that. You'll see that if you start training consistently, your body will ask you for nutrients and will ask you for sleep, so you just have to listen to your body. Yeah, so there is not a big secret around nutrition. I just try to eat food that is not processed, not fried. Basically, I've tried to eat simple but nutritious food. I also did intermittent fasting from once in a while because there are studies that say it helps you with growing muscle because of the secretion of somatotropin. I won't go into details about this right now. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it about the food. And the third element, a very important one, is the rest. Basically the sleep. You think about it like this: when you do your workouts, you practically damage your muscle tissues and they repair and grow while you sleep. So you'll need at least 7 hours of sleep per night, and it's important not only the quantity but the quality of sleep, okay? So the quality of sleep is affected by stress, by nutrition, by alcohol, by a lot of things. So try as much as you can to reduce these factors and have a good sleep every night, because this is when magic happens. That's basically it guys. So as I said, I didn't go to the gym, I didn't have any diets, I didn't count my calories. I just stayed consistent in this room, doing my workouts with my own body weight. In time I bought equipment because it helps you with the progress, of course. I also have a video for this if you want to check out how to make your calisthenics setup at home. I will leave it in the description. So yes guys, it's a beautiful journey. Once you get a taste of it and see changes to your body, you will never want to go back. You'll just want to get better and better. And yeah, it turns into a lifestyle. So if I did this, you can also do this in your own bedroom with your own body weight. It's simple as that. You just need to start. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to this channel if you find these videos useful. It really helps me. So see you next time. Stay strong. Bye.